Have you ever wondered how to effortlessly remove backgrounds from your images using Canva? Well, you're in for a treat because by the end of this video, you'll be a background removing wizard in Canva. Let's get started. Open a blank Canva design. Then click on the Uploads button on the left side of your screen. Click Upload Files and select your file. Once your image is uploaded, you'll need to select it. This will bring it to your blank Canva design. Click the image, then click on the Edit Photo option. Under the Magic Studio option, select BG Remover. Wait for Canva to analyze the photo and remove the background. Once done, you can now download the image. Make sure to choose PNG file type and select Transparent Background. Upload the downloaded image again to Canva if you want to edit it, such as placing it on a different background. And that's it. You've successfully removed the background from an image using Canva.